Welcome to my page. This is your neighborhood tow man. I think I should go with that name, but this is my first official video. I'm leaving Best Buy right now. I just got these Ray-Ban glasses. These mugs look fancy. So we finna hit this off the right way, y'all. Time to go to work. So this vehicle can drive. It just got some damage at the back. Just like, what's going on, man? So just that damage at the back, right?
Yeah, the back.
Okay. Where you said sit again?
Glove box. Right?
Oh, glove box. Okay, cool. All right, man. Shoot, I'll be out of here in about 2 minutes, man.
All right, I appreciate you.
All right, now you have a good one, all right?
You too.
Oh. Ooh, that's total. Oh. You need to take the back license plate off?
They told me to when
You got the tools for it?
No, I don't.
Me neither.
Okay, well then it shouldn't be that big a deal.
Yeah, I never heard of them. I mean, that's probably. And we out. Yoom. There's so many cars and stuff here, it don't make no sense. I don't really even know what they actually do with all these cars. I mean, a nice thumbnail. I unhook this part like that, and I come over here. Put it all the way down. Unhook this side. Oh, I do gotta put this on there so I don't forget. All right. And they like to keep the keys on the inside, so just like that. I'm gonna just crack a window because sometimes I just be thinking. That's it. On to the next one. Ew. What's going on, man? Is it a leak?
Yeah.
Is it drivable at all?
It might be, but I don't think it's gonna make it where I'm going.
Oh, no, just drive it up the bed.
Oh yeah, I can get up to this way.
Okay, cool. Now I'll show you. To the left a little bit. Keep going. Keep going just a little more. All right, you good right there. That'll work, man. Oh, turn the parking brake off if you can. There you go. it up first so it slides all the way over, and then you hook up the side you connect this hook on. Some people do theirs tight. I do mine to where it's firm so it can have a little wiggle. I don't know, but we out of here. See y'all at the drop. Makes that part. You got your. It loosens this up so I can take this off. If that parking brake was on, it'll be just a little bit different, but I can still get it off. All right, shoot, this all good to go. Yeah, cause they gave the address of the store. The store. I'm like, I know he ain't. I was here first, and I'm like, maybe it's across the street. Ain't no telling, but already, man. All right, you have a good one, bro. And just like that, y'all. On to the next disabled vehicle. What's going on, man? All right, was you at work and you came out and it was flat, or?
Yeah, so I was gonna go to lunch and we had like a longer lunch. I was like, all right, let's go home and then.
Oh, come to think about it, so y'all had school today?
No, we have to work today.
Oh,
but,
okay.
The kids are all out.
Okay, yeah, okay. Was it like a slow leak or like it's a hole in it? Or?
I think there's so much construction.
Yeah, I seen. Yep.
Probably. Oh yeah, I'm seeing it. It's a nail.
Oh, it's a nail. Oh, okay. Ooh. And we're young. All right, y'all, we at the Firestone. Fire at the Firestone. Whatever Lil Wayne said. You know what's crazy? I got these glasses on. I hope people don't think I'm actually talking to myself. I know that's gonna seem weird, but I'm not crazy. Well, come to think about it, am I talking to myself for real, for real? Okay, now I think I'm going a little crazy. Nah, I'm just messing around. All right, man. Voila. All right, man. All right, you
Appreciate
take
it
care
so
now.
much. Thank you.
All right. See y'all on the next tour. And we out of here.